Hi everyone, this is guest teacher Mariana from Brazil, and today we'll study together enough and two. I hope you guys are doing great, and I hope you enjoy one more lesson with me, and let's study together. Let me know you are here by typing a comment, okay? So be welcome to one more lesson, and today we'll have a look at these two words, enough and two. All right, first I would like you to tell me the meaning of these words, enough and two. Hi Nadine, can you tell me the meaning of enough and two? What's the definition or a synonym? What is enough? What is two? Here, I'm not talking about two as in I like you too. It's another type of two that I'm talking about. All right. Hi, Fatima. I'm doing great. I hope you are great too. So let's see some examples together. If you know the definition of these two words, please write down in the comments. I want to know if you guys know it. Hello to everyone who's watching here with me. So let's go. Let's read the examples together. Is there enough sugar in your coffee? Coffee is very, very important here in Brazil. We love drinking coffee. So, is there enough sugar in your coffee? What's the idea of enough here in this sentence? Can you tell me in the comments, please? What's the idea of enough? Starly, you're sleeping. Hi. Hi, Jelena. How are you? Hi, everyone. Okay, what's the idea of enough when I ask this question? Is there enough coffee? Oh, sorry, is there not enough sugar in your coffee? What's the idea? I ask you. Can you tell me the idea of enough in this sentence? I'm waiting for your answer. What's the idea of is there enough sugar in your coffee? What do I mean by enough? Thank you, Nadim. That's what I needed. Is there sufficient sugar? Is there sugar as required? That's it. Okay? So enough is a synonym of sufficient. So let's see other sentence. We've got to go to the pool. It is warm enough to swim. Oh, before that there's another one. I wanted to play it, but there isn't enough time. Right? Yeah, that's it. So we've got to go to the pool. We gotta go to the pool. It is warm enough to swim. The last example. Other examples. Don't buy it. It's not big enough to fit you. Do you guys understand fit? In the sentence, fit here, look nice together, look nice combined. So, can you hear me? Am I speaking loud enough? So, it seems a bit easy, but it's not as simple as it seems, all right? Attention to the position of the words. Here, what comes first, enough or sugar? Yeah, enough comes first, sugar comes second, right? And what about here, big, enough? Big comes first, right? Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? Why is it enough time but not enough loud? It's loud enough. Have you guys got any explanation for this phenomenon? Why do I say enough time but I say loud enough? What goes on? The answer, guys, is quite simple. I use enough together with a noun, like time. Time is a noun. Time is not an adjective. So I say enough time. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I say enough time, enough money. Can you give me other examples of enough and noun? Starly gave me a very good example. I am sleeping off, but I am watching your live streaming too. Thank you so much. That means that you aren't sleepy enough to go to bed, right? Can you give me more examples, please? More examples in the comments. Please try to use enough and a noun, an adjective and enough. Hi, Bobo. Okay. So when I say enough sugar, sugar is a noun, so it comes after enough sugar. When I say enough time, time is a noun, so it comes after enough. But when I say warm, enough, warm comes first, enough comes second, because warm is an adjective. Same here with big enough and loud enough. All right? Let's see here some other examples in the comments. Enough sugar, enough money, very good. Deepak say, I don't have enough vocabulary to conversate, to talk to you with teacher Mariana. Of course you have, Deepak. I would be pleased to talk to you even though you don't have enough vocabulary. I know you are intelligent and smart enough to hold a conversation even though you do not have enough vocabulary. Okay, good job. Let's see Nadine's example. I want to have enough money to buy a car. I drank enough water. Excellent. Enough argument. Ha ha ha. Yep. I don't have enough money to buy a car. Oh, don't be sad, Nadine. I don't have enough money to buy a car either. Hi, Anna. Okay, guys, is this clear? Very good work at the comments. Let's see other detail then. Now with prepositions and verb form. You say enough for someone to do something. So, for example, I earn little money. It's not enough for me to buy a car. All right? Other example, I want to teach you everything. Oh my gosh, I misspelled the word again. I often do that, guys. I'm sorry. Everything. Okay. Sorry for that. So I say, I want to explain you everything, but I have got not enough time, or it's not enough time for me to explain everything. I can just explain some things every Friday. Okay? Let's keep reading your good examples. Hello to everyone who's here. Hi, Anna. Great to see you around. Miss Mir Kurshid said, Mariana has enough knowledge. Thank you so much. There isn't enough tea. I do not have enough time. Good job. I do enough study to pass the exam. That's it. But in this case, it's better to use it without anything after enough. You can use it without complement. You can say, I study enough to pass the exams. Okay? But the way you construct your sentence is perfect. I earn a little money. It is not enough for me to buy a car. Yep, that was my sentence. Very good, Anna. Enough for someone to do something. Exactly. I don't have enough luck to get married. Yeah, I know how it feels, Fatiha. Anna, it is not enough time for you to explain everything. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not. I've enough to quit my job. Maybe I've had enough to quit my job. Mariana has a sweet enough voice. Thank you. You are so sweet. Okay, guys. So now let's keep going. Let's see two sentences with to. Okay? When I say something is true, is it something positive or negative? Let's check it. So remember, enough, the idea is sufficiently or as required. All right? Now let's check the idea of too. There is too much milk in the tea. I hate it. Or there are too many people there. Let's go to other place. Or I'm too tired today. Or the exercise is too hard. What do you think this too means in the sentence? What do you think it means in the sentence? Before we continue, let me just read some other comments, okay? I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time for you to do something. You don't have time for me. Is that what you're saying? I don't earn enough money to buy a car. I don't have enough maturity to get married. Okay, great example. Lava. Oh, what's that? It's not in my language. I'm sorry. It's neither in Portuguese nor English, so I can't understand. Janet, why do you put is? Is here in the sentence is unnecessary here in the sentence. I don't like milk in my tea. Tea with letter A, okay? Me neither. Anna gave us a good explanation for to. It is much, or it's more, much more than you want. So to in a sentence like that is always something negative. Oh my gosh, it is so burning hot in Brazil in the summer. Never mind. So to is always negative in this kind of sentence because I'm talking about something in excess, something which is not good because it's in excess. Okay? So here, for example, when I say there is too much milk in the tea, it's not that I don't like tea. Oh, sorry, is not that I don't like milk in the tea. I'm just saying that the quantity is more than what I want. That's why I hated it. You understand? That's why I didn't like it. That's why I hate it. Because it's much more than I wanted. The same here. I am too tired. I am too tired. I am tired in excess. All right? Yeah, that's it. You are following me here. Good job. Yes, Nadine, let's get there. So why do I say much milk, but I say too many people, or too many people, too much milk? Too many people. Why? When I use this expression, much and many, I must pay attention to countable and uncountable. All right? For example, I can count people, but I cannot count milk. I need some time of measurement to count milk. Maybe glasses, maybe liters, but I need something other. The same with time. I can count time with some measurement, for example, minutes and hours. So I can say too many hours, but I cannot say too many time because time is uncountable. I say too much time, but too many hours. Do you guys understand? So let me see some nice comments using too, okay? Too is actually easier to use than enough because the order is the same. I use too an adjective or adverb. With enough, the order is different in case I use a noun, right? And an adjective. But too comes first. Too always comes first. Look at the examples. Too and milk, too and people, too much, too many, too tired, too hard. So too always comes before the adjective or the adverb. More examples, like enough. If I want to use someone or something, I will say too for someone to do something. For example, this sport is too difficult for her to practice it. The car was too fast for me to see the plate number. All right? So let me read some comments now to see if you guys understand. All right? So hi to everyone who have arrived here now. Much for uncountable things and many for countable things. Good job, that's it. I like it too, Cora, thank you. Money, Bobo, money is not countable because you need currency to count money. You need dollars, you need euros, yens, okay? So there is, oh, you are rich, you have money in excess, or you have money enough. Attention to the difference, okay? Enough, sufficient. Too, in excess, it's negative. So there, I guess what you want to say, Bobo, is actually there is enough money for me to buy just a book. Or there isn't enough money for me to buy just a book. Okay, 2 means more than enough. Actually, Jelena, 2 is negative. It means in excess. It's not really more than enough. All right, it has a negative meaning. Mohammed, I will show you all the sentences again soon. All right, let me just check some comments first. My nose is too sweet to be tasted. Yes, you really wouldn't like to taste my nose. Yeah, it's sweet in excess. You might die if you do that. No problem about spelling, Janet. It's okay. She's beautiful enough. 2 is much more than I want. Exactly, Anna. That's the idea. It's always something negative. Mariana has enough English knowledge to teach us. Thank you. Hi, Norma. You don't have enough time to attend my class today. Okay, no problem. You come here next time. It's too hot here. Let's move. Yeah, it's too hot here in Brazil. It's hot in excess. I wish I could go to other country. Would you guys invite me? The money is never enough. Yeah, money is never enough. I'm not tired. Okay, I'm too tired to do anything. Great example, Muhammad. Hi, Faisal. I'm too exhausted. Very good. Khurshid. Khurshid, can you voice me your name? I want to say the names correctly. Let's see Samia. Samia is such a dedicated learner. So I'm too tired. It's too uncomfortable to stay there. Excellent. Why is there too much water falling down? Excellent, Bobo. You understood it. Way to go. Good job. Onia asks Ali, the best way to learn English. What's that? Advertisement, huh? I bet Onia has enough knowledge to teach English. Yes, much is for uncountable. She speaks too much, that's why I have a headache. Excellent, Fatiha. Very good example. There are, plural Bobo, there are too many books for me to read. Excellent. Very good job. Guys, please speak in English. Count milk. And too many people. You cannot count milk. You need a measure to count milk. To count milk, you will need glasses, you will need liters, you will need mugs, okay? All right. Very, very good. So let's just review the vocabulary together, all right? So we use enough and a noun, like enough time, enough sugar, enough students, but we use an adjective and enough, warm enough, big enough, loud enough, beautiful enough, all right? And to, we use to an adjective or adverb, like too hard, too tired. And when we use many or much, we must pay attention to countable or uncountable. Much for countable, many for uncountable. So I say much time, many minutes, okay? Too much time, too many hours, all right? And we say enough for someone to do something, not enough time for me to explain everything. And we say too for someone to do something. This was too fast for me to see. All right? So let's practice together. I will tell you guys a sentence and you should say if it is, if it I put enough and the word, or the word and enough. All right? Is it big enough or enough big? Big enough or enough big? I wonder if you guys know the answer. Hi, Piroshka, thank you. Big enough or enough big? Of course you know the answer. It is big enough because big is an adjective. All right? And what about good? Good. Is it good enough or enough good? Good enough or enough good? Thank you, Samia. Samia wrote the answer. Yes, like big, good is an adjective, so it should come first. Good enough. I said old enough, big enough, tall enough, good enough, because all of those are adjectives, okay? Let's think of nouns. So we say enough time, enough minutes, enough money, enough people, enough friends, enough trees. All right? So that's it. You did a very good job today. I hope to see you guys again next lesson. Remember that I am always live on Wednesdays to teach starters, beginners, and on Friday to teach you guys who are a bit more advanced, or who are advanced enough or enough advanced. Who are advanced adjective, okay? So who are advanced enough to understand the classes. Thank you so much. Kisses from Brazil to you. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.